Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have my black vape. So this is my black light 14K pops. This is the disposable pads and including device battery. So first, let's unbox this. Inside the box, you can see this disposable pads. So let's open it. A light 14K pops, yellow summer with a mango flavor. So let's put aside this. And secondly is the device battery. Let's open it. Very tight to open. So this is the device battery. This is USB Type C. So as you can see, this is magnetic. So let's put aside this. So let's remove the seal and the sticker. So let's put it together. So let's heat it. This is the battery indicator digital. So 70%. Perfect. It's very cold menthol mango flavor. Very cold here to the throat if you hit this. 100% guaranteed. So that's all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.